Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you my pre-calculus project for my teacher. Here we go. Pre-calculus curve project by yours truly, Alonso Simpson. The circle curve. The history of the circle curve is the study of the circle goes back beyond recorded history. The invention of the wheel is a fundamental discovery of properties of a circle. The Greeks considered the Egyptians as the invention of geometry. They scribe Athenes, the author of the Red Papyrus, gives a rule for determining the area of a circle which corresponds to pi equals 256 over 81 or approximately 3.16. The first theorems relating to circles are attributed to Thales around 650 BC. Book the third of Euclid's Elements deals with properties of circles and problems of inscribing and inscribing polygons. One of the problems of Greek mathematics was the problem of finding a square with the same area as given circle. Several of the famous curves in this stat were first studied in an attempt to solve this problem. Anaxagoras in 450 BC is the first recorded mathematician to study this problem. The problem of finding this area of a circle lead to integration. For the circle with formula given above the area in whatever that says, and the length of the curve is 2 pi a, 2 pi a. I believe that's what it says. The pedal of a circle is a cardioid if the pedal point is taken of the circumference, and it's a lineation of the pedal point is not on the circumference. The caustic of a circle with radial point on the circumference is a whatever that says. Cardioid. While if the rays are parallel, then the caustic is a neploid. This is a picture of a circle that I. This is the equation of the circle curve. X2 plus y squared 2. A blah 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 2. These are Cartesian equation, parametrical equation, and polar equations right here. R equals AR equals A. This is the person who created the circle, who made the circle. His name is Apollonius. He was a Greek mathematician known as the Great Geometer. His works had a very great influence on the development of mathematics, and his famous book, Comics, introduced the terms parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola. This is other formation. This is the rest of the information I put on here. Y'all can read it yourselves. Y'all can pause it so I don't feel like reading it. Apollonius was also an important founder of Greek mathematical astronomy, which used geographical models to explain planetary theory. Now, the next curve I did is called a straight line curve. The straight line must be one of the earliest curves studied. Euclid in his Elements, although he devotes much study to the straight line, that does not consider it a curve. In fact, nobody attempted a general definition of a curve until Jordan in his course De Analyzing in 1893. The inverse of a straight line is a circle and the center of inversion is not on the line. The negative pedal of the straight line is a parabola if the pedal point is not on the line. This is a picture of a straight line of a curve that I found online. This is the equation of a straight line curve. Cartesian equation, y equals mx plus cy, or parametrically, x equals at plus b. The person who found the straight line was Euclid of Alexandria. Euclid was a Greek mathematician best known for his treatise on geometry, The Elements. Euclid may not have been a first-class mathematician, but the long-lasting nature of the elements must make him the leading mathematics teacher of antiquity or perhaps of all time. This is the rest of the information I found. You can read it because my voice is about to be tired. Works cited page information. HTTPS Math History St. Andrews Curves HTTP www.tdcurves.com. That's it. Alright, that was my pre-calculus project for my teacher to see. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll post more videos soon. Bye. Bye, guys.